Happy birthday, John Abraham. The handsome hunk and fitness icon turns 48 today and remains as good looking and super fit as can be. John has been a model, an actor, and is now a successful producer as well. Here are some unknown facts about the star, including the secret behind why he and Bipasha Basu broke up after being the it couple in Bollywood for almost 9 years. John Abraham started his career in the media and entertainment business as a model. After working in music videos and ads, John won the Gladrags Manhunt contest, cementing his position as one of the best-looking men in the country. But did you know that the actor also worked as a media planner before ditching it to pursue a full-time career as a model and actor? He briefly attended acting school before stepping into Bollywood, and over the years has been a part of many commercially and critically successful films. The actor made his debut in Bollywood with Jism, which also starred the gorgeous Bipasha Basu. The movie was a success, no thanks to the many romantic scenes between the actors. प्यार की एक्टिंग करते करते John और Bipasha fell in love off screen as well. The couple, who was one of Bollywood's best-looking jodis, remained in a seemingly steady and committed relationship for 9 years before calling it quits. Their breakup caused much grief to their fans as well, and we only came to know many years later why this much-in-love jodi decided to separate ways. It seems that 9 साल डेट करने के बाद Bipasha शादी करके settle होना चाहती थी, but John wasn't ready to commit to a happily ever after with her. Apparently, Bipasha decided that she couldn't wait any longer, and since they wanted different things from their lives, it was best for them to part ways. But despite this setback, John's career continued to flourish. John's good looks and charming smile made him the perfect choice for films like Dostana, Garam Masala, Desi Boys and Race 2, and sensuous films like Paap and Madhoshi. Over the years, the actor has changed tracks to become an almost exclusive action and thriller film specialist, choosing medium-budget, high-concept films that have a dedicated audience. The actor has also ventured into production under the banner JA Entertainments and is the force behind films like Vicky Donor, Madras Cafe and Parmanu. But while his choice of films may have changed, his obsession with fitness hasn't. Even as he turns 48 today, John still has one of the best physiques in the business. The actor often shares images of himself working out, and safe to say, the ladies can't help but find him irresistible. Here's wishing our OG handsome hunk a very happy birthday. We can't wait to see you flex those muscles back on screen again, John.